Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of 50 Express Tutorials. Today we will be learning how to make cake pops using our 50 Express cacao white chocolate, galaxy dust, and tipless bags. Grab your spatulas and let's get started. Today we will need the following ingredients and tools: 50 Express white chocolate, 8-inch frozen white cake, candy color mill, Paramount crystals, 50 Express white galaxy dust pump, multicolored non-pareils, silicone bowls, spatulas, 50 Express tipless bags, popsicle sticks, and my little cake pop popsicle mold. First, we melt our chocolate in our silicone bowls. Place chocolate into the microwave and heat in 30-second intervals. You will know your chocolate is ready when it flows off your spatula nicely. Today we will be coloring our chocolate pink using Color Mill's candy color. Add a few drops to your chocolate and mix well with the spatula. Let's use a paddle attachment for our mixer. Place the cake in your small mixer. Mix on low to medium speed until cake sticks all together. Take a small piece of dough and roll it into a ball. Place it in your popsicle mold, then carefully remove it from the mold. Using a straw, slowly smooth out the crease that was left by the mold. Dip the tip of your popsicle stick into the chocolate and insert it into the cake pop. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. Now that it is dry, dip the whole cake pop into the chocolate. Tap on the stick lightly to remove all excess chocolate. Then set aside to dry. With white chocolate, pipe a drip effect on the top of your cake pop. Before it dries, add your sprinkles and galaxy dust. So there you have it, my lovely viewers. That's how easy it is to make ice cream themed cake pops using our 50 Express products. Thank you so much for watching this 50 Express tutorial. Hope you enjoy making these easy and delicious cake pops. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our 50 Express YouTube channel. And remember, you can find these products and more at 50expressonline.com.